Hey guys, this is Stephanie Walker. I'm over at Keller Williams Whittier. I go to a lot of different trainings, and sometimes there's a lot of fluff in there. This class actually had a lot of value, lots of actionables. That strategy was solid of connecting with divorce attorneys. I actually just found one that's an old employer of mine that I'm going to be able to connect with and get around a lot of high net divorce attorneys that otherwise I wouldn't be able to get to. And I already knew him, and he was in my network. Freaking wild. Yeah, the relationships that are already there are super solid. And being able to leverage the strategies that Daniel was teaching in this class, I'm really confident that I'm going to be able to implement that and generate a lot of income by leveraging those networks and leveraging those relationships that were already there. So everyone is always yelling about the sky is falling, market's going to crash, lawsuits, this and that. People are always going to have to move. People are going to pass away. They're going to get divorced. They're going to move. They need to buy and sell houses. That doesn't change. So if being in real estate is something that you want to do, I would highly recommend checking that out. It was solid. Are you ready to get exponential?
I appreciate you. Thank you so much for that. That means so much. I appreciate you. And yeah,
No worries.
we'll
Thank you
stay
so
in
much
touch.
for
I
your
hope I can.
time.
Yeah. It's amazing. Yeah, you know an attorney that knows a bunch of high net worth attorneys in California. That's always a good thing to identify. So I'm glad you got a lot of value.
I did. Thank you so much, Daniel. And I will absolutely keep you updated on how this goes.
Perfect. Thanks, Stephanie. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Get exponential.
You too.
Thanks so much. Bye.